Hello everybody, myself V. Narayana Babu, lecturer in Mathematics, GSI PU College, Mysore. In the last session, we have discussed about definition of a matrix and types of matrices. In today's session, we shall discuss about equality of matrices and algebra of matrices. Equal matrices. Two matrices are said to be equal if their orders are same and their corresponding elements are equal. That means if two matrices are said to be equal if their orders are same and their corresponding elements are equal. Example, if A equals 5 minus 5, 7, 8 and B equals 5 minus 5, 7, 8. We can say that A equals B because the orders of both the matrix are same and also the corresponding elements are equal. That is 5 minus 5 minus 5, 7 7, 8 8. Let us consider another example. C equals 5 6 7 8 and D equals 7 5 6 8. Even though the orders are there, even though the orders are same for both the matrices C and D, their corresponding elements are not equal. That means here if we take C is equal to D, it is not true. It is not true. It is not true. Since their corresponding elements are not equal. Only the 8 is equal, but other corresponding elements are not equal. So all the elements should be equal to their corresponding elements. Let us consider another example. E equals 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. F equals 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here E and F are not equal matrices because they are of different orders. That is, E is not equal to F. Suppose let us consider two matrices A equals X, Y, Z, W and B equals 2, minus 1, 3, 4. If we say that A is equal to B, then the matrix A is X, Y, Z, W, that will be equal to 2, minus 1, 3, 4. Here the orders are same and the corresponding elements we can equate. So x will be equal to 2, y will be equal to -1, z will be equal to 3 and w will be equal to 4. Next concept is algebra of matrices. First one is scalar multiplication. If A is any matrix and K is any scalar. Scalar means it is some constant. Then Ka is a matrix obtained by multiplying every element of A by K. Example, if A equals 5, 3, 7, -2, 7, 5, then 5A is equal to 5 into 5, 3, 7, -2, 7, 5. This 5 is a constant which is called as scalar. So we should multiply this 5 to each element of this matrix. So that will be equal to 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15, 5 7s are 35, 5 into -2 -10, 5 7s are 35, 5 5s are 25. Next example, if A equals 7, -5, 6, 8, 3, 2, then half A will be equal to half into matrix A, that is 7, -5, 6, 8, 3, 2. So that will be equal to half should be multiplied to every element of this matrix. So half into 7 is 7 by 2, half into -5, -5 by 2, half into 6, half into 8, half into 3, half into 2. So here 2 1s are 2 3s are 2 1s are 2 4s are 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So that will be equal to 7 by 2 minus 5 by 2, 3, 4, 3 by 2, 1. Next concept is addition of matrices. Two matrices can be added if their orders are same and corresponding elements are added. added. That means two matrices can be added if their orders are same and corresponding elements should be added. For example, if A equals 3, 5, 6, 7 and B equals -7, 4, 3, 5, then A plus B will be equal to, first we have to write the matrix A, 3, 5, 6, 7. Next we have to write plus. Next we have to write the matrix B, -7, 4, 3, 5. So that will be equal to, corresponding elements should be added. So 3 plus -7. Next element is 5. 5 plus 4. Next element is 6. So 6 plus 3. Next element is 7 plus 5. So that will be equal to, so 3 minus 7 minus 4, 5 plus 4 9, 6 plus 3 9, 7 plus 5 12. Next is subtraction of matrices. Subtraction of matrices. So how to subtract two matrices? Two matrices can be subtracted if and only if the orders of two matrices are same and their corresponding elements should be subtracted. Likewise, addition, even in subtraction also, if you want to subtract two matrices, the orders of the two matrices should be one and the same and their corresponding elements should be subtracted. For example, A equals 7 minus 4, 3, 5. B equals 6, 7, 4, minus 5. Then A minus B will be equal to, so first we shall write matrix A, 7 minus 4, 3, 5 minus matrix B we have to write. Matrix B is 6, 7, 4, minus 5. So this will be equal to, so 7 minus 6 minus 4 minus 7, 3 minus 4. Next 5 minus 5. So that will be equal to So 7 minus 6, 1, minus 4 minus 7 minus 11, 3 minus 4 minus 1, minus into minus plus. So 5 plus 5, 10. Addition of matrices and scalar multiplication of matrices satisfy the following properties. So first one, A plus B will be equal to B plus A. This is called as commutative property of addition of matrices. Second one, A plus B plus C will be equal to A plus B plus C. So this is called as associative property of matrix addition. Next, third one, K into A plus B is equal to KA plus KB. This is nothing but scalar multiplication. A plus O is equal to O plus A. Here O is the null matrix. O is the null matrix and is called as additive identity. Is called as additive identity. Next, we shall discuss about transpose of a matrix. The transpose of a matrix A is obtained by interchanging all the rows and columns. It is usually denoted by A dash or A power T. Example, if A equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then A dash will be equal to, so the first row should be written in first column. The second row should be written in second column. And the third row will be written in third column. We shall define what is meant by a symmetric matrix. A square matrix is said to be symmetric if A dash is equal to A. A square matrix is said to be symmetric if A dash equals A, means if you take the transpose of the matrix, that matrix is equal to the original matrix, then we say that the given matrix is a symmetric matrix. For example, A equals 1, 3, 3, 4. Let us take the transpose of this matrix. The first row becomes first column and the second row becomes the second column. So here if you observe, A dash and A are one and the same, that is A dash equals A. Then we can say that the matrix A is a symmetric matrix. Next is skew symmetric matrix. A square matrix is said to be skew symmetric if A dash equals minus A. A square matrix is said to be skew symmetric if A dash equals minus A. Let us consider an example. A equals 0, 3, minus 3, 0. Let us take the transpose of this matrix. So A dash equals, so the first row becomes the first column, the second row becomes the second column. Let us take minus common from all the elements of this matrix. Let us take minus common. So 0 is present, so there is no sign for 0, we write as it is 0. Minus 3 is there, we write 3. 3 is there, we write minus 3. 0, we write 0. If you observe here, 0, 3, minus 3, 0 is nothing but the matrix A. So A dash will be equal to minus A. Therefore, what we can say is A is an skew symmetric matrix. So A is an skew symmetric matrix. Let us solve few problems on algebra of matrices. So first problem, if A equals 1, minus 2, 3, 4, find 2a and 3a. So solution. So what is given? A equals 1 minus 2, 3, 4. So 2a equals 2 into 1 minus 2, 3, 4. So this is nothing but the scalar multiplication of a matrix. So 2 should be multiplied to every element of the matrix. So 2 ones are 2, 2 into minus 2, minus 4, 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 4, 8. Next is 3a. So 3a is equal to 3 into the matrix A. 1, minus 2, 3, 4. So this will be equal to 3 into 1, 3. 3 into minus 2, minus 6. 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 4, 12. So this is 3a. So second problem, if a equals 1 minus 3, 5, 6, 2, 4. Find 5 into a dash. So what is the given matrix? The given matrix is a equals 1 minus 3, 5, 6, 2, 4. First we shall find a dash. So a dash is nothing but the transpose of the matrix A. So we should transpose the given matrix A. So the first row becomes the first column. The second row becomes second column. So next we have to find 5 into a dash. So 5 into a dash is equal to 5 into matrix 1, 6, minus 3, 2, 5, 4. So let us multiply every element of the matrix by 5. So that will be equal to 5 into 1, 5, 5 into 6, 30, 5 into minus 3, minus 15, 5 into 2, 10, 5 into 5, 25, 5 into 4, 20. Next problem, if a equals 1, 2, 4, minus 1, 3, minus 2, and b equals 3, minus 4, minus 1, 1, 5, minus 2. Find a plus b and a minus b. So let us first find a plus b. So a plus b is equal to, instead of a we have to write the matrix A, that is 1, 2, 4, minus 1, 3, minus 2. Next we have to write plus. Next we have to write the matrix B. 3, minus 4, minus 1, 1, 5, minus 2. So that will be equal to, we have to add the corresponding elements. We have to add their corresponding elements. So 1 plus 3, 2 plus minus 4. Next element 4 plus minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1. 3 plus 5. Minus 2 plus minus 2. So that will be equal to 1 plus 3, 4. So 2 minus 4 is minus 2. 4 minus 1 is 3. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. 3 plus 5, 8. Minus 2 plus minus 2. Plus into minus, minus. So minus 2 minus 2 is minus 4. Similarly, A minus B is equal to 1, 2, 4, minus 1, 3, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 1, 1, 5, minus 2. So, this will be equal to, subtract the corresponding elements. So, 1 minus 3, 2 minus 4, next 4 minus 1, next minus 1 minus 1, next is 3 minus 5, next minus 2 minus 2. So that will be equal to, so 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So minus into minus plus. So 2 plus 4, 6. Minus into minus plus. 4 plus 1, 5. Minus 1 minus 1, minus 2. 3 minus 5, minus 2. Minus into minus plus. So minus 2 plus 2, we get 0. Okay, thank you.